There is a terrible disease coming to the earth. It is a terrible diarrhea. That disease causes diarrhea. And I see a lot of people lined up, very long queues, like 2 queues trying to converge on one toilet, one lavatory. And the stomach is so painful, very, very painful. I hear them writhing in pain. They say, I wish I can get a moment. And then they are diureting on their trousers, on their skirts, on their clothes. So when they walk, such that when they walk, their shoes are full of human excrement from that disease. There is a terrible epidemic coming to the earth. I don't know whether to reach the level of a pandemic, but in that epidemic, that disease, big disease outbreak, there is severe diarrhea coming to the earth. And a lot of people diureting, there's not enough toilets, restrooms. And the Lord takes me there by the toilet. There is even nowhere to step. And I don't know whether it looks like they vomit also, but I see diarrhea. A big disease is coming to the earth.